Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to print email attachments from Outlook automatically. This is incredibly useful if you regularly receive important documents that need to be printed right away, saving you the hassle of manually opening each email and printing attachments one by one. Let's walk through how to set this up. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure everything is fully loaded before proceeding, as you'll need access to your main interface to configure the automation settings. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to the Home tab located at the top part of your screen where all your main tools are displayed. From here, look for the Move section. You'll see a Rules drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it. From the additional options that appear, click on Manage Rules and Alerts. This is where you'll be able to create custom rules that automate various actions in Outlook, including printing attachments. A Rules and Alerts window will now appear on your screen. From here, click on the Email Rules tab, then click on New Rule. This will open up the Rule Wizard window, which is where we'll configure the steps to automatically print your email attachments whenever they arrive. First, click on Apply Rule on Messages I Receive. Once this option is highlighted, click Next to move forward. You'll now be taken to the Select Conditions step. This is where you specify what type of emails should trigger this rule. Look for the option that says which has an attachment and click on its checkbox. This tells Outlook to only apply this rule to emails that contain attachments. Once selected, click Next again. Now you'll be moved to the Rules Action step. This is where you define what Outlook should do when it receives an email that meets your condition. Look for the Printed action and click on the checkbox next to it. This action will automatically send the attachment to your default printer as soon as the email arrives. At this point, take a look at the bottom of the Rule Wizard window. You should see a consolidation of all the steps you've configured, which should read something like apply this rule after the message arrives, which has an attachment, print it. This confirms that your rule is set up correctly. Once you've verified that every step is configured properly, click on Finish, and that's it. You've successfully set up an automatic rule in Outlook to print email attachments as soon as they arrive. This automation can save you a lot of time, especially if you're dealing with high volumes of documents that need immediate printing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.